Hey guys, today I'll be going over autoloads in Godot 4, which is essentially their version of singletons or global scripts. I'll make this as quick as I can without leaving out any of the vital information. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. Okay, just as an example here, I'm going to be using Mr. Theodore Behrman to show him just collecting some coins. And you can see we have 1 billion, $2 billion, and $3 billion. And then right here, this pink thing is a portal to another scene. We go through that, and we're back to square one. We are worth $0 billion. So this is an example of where autoloads could come in handy. There are some other methods to solve this as well, but today we're just covering autoloads. So we go ahead and we are going to create an autoloaded scene. So we're going to create a new scene, do a 2D scene. I'm going to go ahead and call this global script. And just note, you will have to reference this later. So whatever you want to call this is fine, as long as you recognize that it is where your global variables will be saved. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. And then I'm going to go ahead and attach a script to it. This is where all of the global variables will be stored. And then, okay, so we can create a new variable called, I'm just going to call it coins. And then I'm going to say equals 0 or is assigned to 0, just to let the computer know that this is an integer that we're dealing with. And then I'm going to go back to player, which is where, we have our code for our coins. You can see here we have a variable coins equals 0, and then coins plus equal 1 as soon as we hit a coin. Okay, so now I'm going to want to make this our global script coins, but first we have to go up here to project settings, globals, and make sure that you're on autoload. And then for path, we're going to want to set it to the global script scene and go ahead and add that. So what this is going to do is it's going to recognize this as our global script or our autoload, so that this will be available in every scene and we can reference it. So here we have coins, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of coins, and I'm going to call this global script dot coins. So if you didn't notice what just happened there, we used the global script scene that we assigned in the project as our global script, or rather our autoload in Godot. And the dot coins is the variable that we had in the global script here. So you can see coins, so that's what we're accessing. So we go back to the game, excuse me, that is the player. And then you can see plus equals 1 on our coins, and that will transfer into every scene now. I also want to change this. Instead of string coins, just to make sure that our counter is still going to work, I'm going to change this to coins. And that will update as well throughout the different scenes. So here's exactly what I mean. So in here we have 1 billion, $2 billion, and $3 billion, and we go through the portal, and we're still the money bear. So yeah, that's when you would use global scripts. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you very much. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Word out.